This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Coolant renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Slide the safety catch to release the bonnet. Raise the bonnet and release the bonnet stay from its clip. Engage the bonnet stay to prop the bonnet. To drain the system, first remove the expansion tank filler cap. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels. Raise the car using a jack, position axle stands, lower the vehicle onto the stands and remove the jack. Unscrew the 3 fixings at the front of the engine undertray. Then remove the 2 fixings at the rear of the undertray. Unclip the tray at the rear and slide it rearward to disengage it from the front. Remove the tray from under the vehicle. Place a suitable container beneath the right-hand side of the radiator as viewed from the driver's seat. Release the retaining clamp and disconnect the bottom hose from the radiator. Allow the coolant to drain into the container. Once the coolant has stopped draining from the radiator, reconnect the bottom hose and secure with the retaining clamp. With the cooling system drained, ensure the bottom hose has been properly reconnected to the radiator. Make sure that all disturbed hose unions are correctly secured. Remove the drain container. Position the tray under the vehicle. Raise the tray into position. Engage the tray at the front, then clip it into position at the rear. Secure the tray in position by refitting the offside, centre and near side front fixings, followed by the offside and near side rear fixings. Raise the vehicle using a jack, remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the chocks from the rear wheels. Place a funnel in the expansion tank. Prepare a sufficient quantity of the specified coolant mixture. Allow for a surplus, so you have a reserve supply for topping up. Slowly fill the system through the expansion tank. Since the tank is the highest point in the system, all the air in the system should be displaced into the tank by the rising liquid. Slow pouring reduces the possibility of air being trapped and forming airlocks. Continue filling until the coolant level reaches the expansion tank max level line on petrol engines, but to the top of the expansion tank on diesel engines. Then refit the filler cap on petrol models only. On diesel models, with the help of an assistant, start the engine and run it at 2,500 revs until the coolant level stabilises. If the level in the expansion tank drops significantly, top up to the max level line to minimise the amount of air circulating in the system. Once the coolant level has stabilised, refit the expansion tank filler cap.